Here is my cable brickhead that I built, and I'm kind of excited. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I just finally got around to it. But we're actually going to start with the accessories first. Now, for his gun, you had to have a big gun, so I actually just built this for the Punisher and the Daily Bugle set, and so I just kind of kept it and gave it to him because it looked like a gun Cable would have. But it's just a minifigure gun. You got this bar with clip and then a binocular piece, just make it look like this intimidating gun that Cable would carry. And then for his other accessory, this is actually what kind of inspired the brickhead itself, which is why I want to start with it. It's his beat up teddy bear. I had this Bobo teddy bear from my Maggie Simpson's minifigure, and I just thought this is perfect. It's like the teddy bear that Cable brings from the future to kind of see if he's changed the past so that the little girl will live. So I just saw this teddy bear, and this was the inspiration for the brickhead itself. But now we'll get to the actual brickhead and the building of it. So I used just a 1x2 black plate for his boots, and then for the pants and the hips here I used the dark blue color because I wanted to differentiate the color. I didn't want it all to be one same shade of blue, so I made a dark blue for the pants, and these were actually found in the Go Brick Me set, all these blue pieces, dark blue pieces, so it'd be different than the just plain blue shirt that he has on. Now I did do one layer of brown for his belt because, you know, his ammo belt is such a big part of his costume, and for that ammo belt these guys got slung over his shoulders, I used 1x2 plate pieces. And the reason I use plates instead of tiles is because I like those bumps. The bumps are like the, you know, the magazines of ammunition he's going to be sliding into his gun all the time, so I like the bumps. And the way I put these 1x2 plates on sideways is I just got these those 1x1x2 bricks with the side studs, and I just put those on the side, and then on the back I just used two or a 1x2 plate and a 1x1 1x2 brick to build up his back. And on the front I did the 1x2 brick up here, but then I actually put like just 1x1 plates instead of a 1x2 plate to kind of make it like a six-pack. So I didn't want to make that nice and smooth, so I did the 1x1 plates like 2 to make like a 4-pack here for his abdominal muscles. And then for his arms, I mean, you've got a normal brickhead arm here with the blue arms and the hand, but on the other side I gave him this robot cybernetic arm, and there we've got the 2x2 plate in light bluish gray, the 1x2 tile, and a gray 1x2 plate with side clip for his hands. So there's his bionic arm, and I tried putting like a blue plate here, but it just underneath, but it didn't look right. It had to be all gray. And then you can kind of see his neck sticking out here, and that brown continues around him, so you kind of got the whole strap of the ammunition belt around his shoulders, around his chest and back, and you've got the belt here separating the dark blue from the light blue. So, you know, it's a lot of blues and browns here for his color. And then for his face, I gave him a regular brickhead eye, and for the cybernetic eye, I gave him a 1x1 round translucent yellow tile piece to kind of create that glowing effect for his right, or his left eye, our right. And then for his haircut, I really, you know, he's had I looked at a lot of different comic books and what his hair looked like, and I really like the short cropped military style. So you just got the smooth white tiles all around the side and the bumpy plates on the top, just to give it a look, that short military look. But I really like how this turned out. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I'm glad I finally got around to it, but this is my Cable brickhead.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.